Hey guys, today I want to talk about on the last day of January, a trade that went really right for us this month. It's a situation that occurred for a variety of great factors converging at the same time. Firstly, it fit perfectly into my criteria for my monthly money flow trade, where the first two trades we saw atypical buying of this stock that I'm about to mention on huge volume. And it stuck out that that type of buying happened on the first 2 days of the month because it hadn't happened like that for a while with this stock. The last time it did, it was a huge winner. And so it came onto my radar. And lo and behold, at the beginning of the month, we also had a Georgia runoff in the Senate. So what happened was the Democrats took control of the Senate in a little bit of a surprise. And that paved the way for the perfect storm for this one particular company. And that company is called Workhorse Group. And they create electric delivery vans. So they're a big player and they're a US based company. Now, remember that because that's going to be an important factor on why this stock did so well. But the Biden administration, the Democrats in general, are big proponents of clean energy. Electric vehicles are a big thing that are, it's the reason Tesla's caught all this investment money is it's this huge, it's the largest clean energy play in the world, Tesla. So companies like Workhorse that are upstarts, they're not quite Tesla yet, could be one day, are doing amazing things. And so this stock has performed and delivered in the age of insanity that we're seeing in the market right now, but it still continued to because the fundamental underlying case is so strong. But let me walk through the chart. Let me walk you through what I saw and show you how the trade worked out because it's really an interesting case, and it's kind of a good proxy for what happens, a good amount of times with these types of cases. So I'm going to take you back first to last week. And this was the Workhorse group right here. And so I gave to our subscribers this trade after we saw this big volume. You see this big volume here at the beginning of the month, these big up bars. We got into it around this level here. And then we had this nice move. And it was looking like it was going to break out. And we had the middle of the month, we had a swoon. And that happens a lot of times with these types of cases in the middle of the month. So I had some subscribers that were a little bit panicky, but I pay really close attention to this stock. So I put this report out last week where I said, if this stock trade stays above 23, and this is a screenshot from last Friday at 10:46, stays above 23, stays above this moving average, there's a good chance that this stock can trade to all-time highs, okay? Time-stamped. It was out last week. Fast forward to this week, what happened, and you'll see that this big move happened at the beginning of the week on bigger volume even than we saw at the beginning of the month, huge volume. And what happened was President Biden came out and said that there's a good possibility that they want to replace the entire government fleet of trucks, of vans, and that would be huge for Workhorse. And they only want to work with a US-based company. Ta-da! Workhorse is the only US-based electric delivery van company in the world. And so this stock had a huge move, settling down a little bit, but still a over 100% winner on the calls and a great monthly money flow trade. I'm looking forward to this last day of trading to see how it closes, but it's just an example of some of the thinking, how the trade pans out, and why it's always important to wait till the end. And if you get in trouble, have some key metrics that you're looking for so you don't change your opinion on the whole thing and get into a lot of trouble. I give you every month a target. I give you every month a stop loss level, and I give you an option play. Very, very generic, very plain vanilla. Just buy a call or buy a put with the monthly money flow elite. We have some bearish plays. We have 3, and we're still tilted long. We have 6 longs, and that's what we do. That's how we do it. And that was a big winner for January. It's monthly money flows elite. See you guys soon. LFG.